Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the rear camera on the iPad 8th generation 2020 10.2 model. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is required to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad 2020, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic carpet tool or triangle pickers and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the Araflex cables attached to the logic board. To lift the touchscreen, take the direction like opening a book, but from the left hand to the right hand side. Open and place it like an open book till removing the LCD screen. Next, take off the LCD screen by undoing screws. There are sticky tapes covering the screw heads. Move aside and remove 4 screws. Next, lift the LCD screen to 90 degrees by the top and disconnect the plug by undoing screws and the shield. The shield is missing from this device, but your device should have it. Next, unplug both touchscreen connectors by the socket. And then peel the tape and raise the tab to take out the Touch ID connector plug. Now the touchscreen unit can leave from the body. Next, on the top right, take off the shield by undoing 3 screws and disconnect the camera plug. And then to pull out the camera, apply slight heat to soften the glue. Take out the camera and replace the not working camera with a new unit, and then place it on the body by connecting the plug and adding adhesive. Next, secure the shield by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the touchscreen and home button flex connectors. Next, place the LCD screen and secure the connector, and then add the shield by inserting screws. Next, insert 4 screws to secure the screen. Next, to clamp up the iPad 2020, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue on your double-sided pre-cut adhesive. Take the closing book direction and place the digitizer on the body. Place the bottom section first and then follow the top, and then simultaneously click size and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Finally, we are using screen binding clips to tie the screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.